Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll discuss the uses of the club bell or the steel club. This is another melee tool in which it is weighted at the end with a handle, allowing for swinging action. Now, why would one use this? One, you can use it for mobility and strength. Great rehabilitation tool in which you can move to your end range. And by end range, I mean as far as you can reach. That's why it's better than conventional weight training, in which you just move in a sagittal or frontal plane. There are a few exercises in which you will move in a transverse plane, but this tool allows you to move multi-dimensional. If you want to change the angle, you can do that within the next set. You can do that at any moment. And therefore it allows to be a more versatile tool. In this video I'll show you a few preliminary moves or introductory moves in which you can use to help anything from wrist pain, forearm pain, elbow pain, shoulder pain, and even to QL pain, and even leg pain, because it's allowing you to move through all planes of motion so you can lunge and swing at the same time. So this is a great tool. So let me show you a few movements that I use. For my wrist pain, I usually just hold it and swing, and you want to kind of get a action in the wrist. Loosening and strengthening at the same time with the movement, and with the heavy weight at the end, it allows for moving into the end range of power. See? Using that momentum. Now for elbow issues, I would swing. See, again, I break at the elbow. That also helps the rotator cuff, but not primarily. It's definitely more for the elbows. Another major problem that we have, people my age have, is that we'll have a problem with our QL, our quadratus lumborum, and it's very hard to exercise or to rehabilitate this area because these muscles are somewhat beneath a layer. They're not easily accessible in conventional movements and conventional sagittal plane movements. And so this allows you to work on it. I'll show you an example. And see, by getting in that, I stretch, hold, come back, hold, come back. Also, you will take it from the right and angle it over. Allowing for a deep stretch. Again, over. Okay. You can do all sorts of movements, not just upper body. You can use this tool as a squat tool in motion. In comparison to a kettlebell, the club bell allows for more fluid movement and something more natural to our human nature in terms of throwing. It affects the gait more. In fact, we counterclockwise just by holding at the ends, which is somewhat difficult in terms of the response, the feedback that you receive from the kettlebell. It's more compact. It's not pulling you to that end range as much as this is. And they're both the same weight. They're both 15 pounds, but this feels substantially more because of the design and the shape. Now you can use two of these at one time, but I suggest that you use this unilaterally. That way you'll receive the best benefit from this tool. In terms of the feeling of throwing or striking, this tool is far better than any other tool in allowing those actions to be performed repetitively in order to gain confidence and competence. Alright, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and get yourself a club bell, heal any injuries that are ailing you, and live a good life. Thank you for watching.